So here we have the Nissan Juke 1.6 Tekna automatic on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll notice there aren't any reversing sensors on this car, and that's because we have a 360-degree parking camera, which I'll show you from inside the car. Plenty of boot space, as you can see, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through by way of controls, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the top in the middle, you can see the total miles on this car are 7,198. If we work our way out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have stereo controls, and on the right-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. Over here with the stereo controls, we've also got the ability to answer and end phone calls. That is, of course, once you've paired the phone. And that is done on the central screen just here. So it's touch screen, or it's a combination of touch screen and option buttons down the right and left hand sides. You can see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on our website. And when it comes to the radio, we have AM, FM and DAB digital radio. We have a CD player and auxiliary input. In fact, you can see the CD player just there. We have USB input. And also, once you paired your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. I mentioned the 360 parking camera when we were at the back of the car. If you pop the car in reverse, you can see just there that we've got the reversing camera image, a bird's eye view image of the car parked in the space that it's in. On top of that, if I put it back into park and press the camera button just here, we will then have a front-facing camera along with the bird's eye view, or a front-facing camera and the front near side wheel. So with all those cameras, it does make it incredibly easy to park. We then have climate control for the car. So to turn it on, you just need to turn the fan speeds on. We can adjust the temperature with this dial over here, direction we'd like the air to blow in, using these buttons on the right hand side, and then simply press that button to turn the air conditioning on, or push this button in and it will put it onto auto, and the car will take control of the fan speed itself to maintain 21 degrees. Just readjust the fan speed yourself to override that setting. This screen doubles up as not only the climate control, but also the driver mode settings. As you can see, the buttons have now changed. We can hit normal, sport, and it shows us all the things it's changing there, or eco. Any one of those, you can leave it on, and you can actually set up and alter some of those to your own liking should you wish to. Underneath that, we have the USB and auxiliary input, the fully automatic gearbox, and underneath the armrest, driver and passenger heated seats. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.